Golfer Philip Shard died after being struck by lightning while playing at Fynn Valley Golf Club near Ipswich. Credit East Anglia News Service. A golfer died 4 days after he was struck by lightning while sheltering under a tree from hail, an inquest heard. It consultant Philip Shard, 60, was found collapsed by his friend Brian Goldsmith, who was playing with him. The pair had started playing in sunny weather at 9:30 a.m. on May 27 this year at Fynn Valley Golf Club in Whitnesham near Ipswich, Suffolk. But the weather deteriorated at around 10:45 a.m. when they were on opposite sides of the fairway and about to play shots onto the fifth green. Mr. Goldsmith said he and Mr. Shard stopped to put on waterproof clothing as hail fell around them amid thunder and lightning. He added in a statement, "I was on the green, and I looked over to see Philip putting on his waterproof jacket as the hail was getting heavier." The Fynn Valley Golf Club near Ipswich, Suffolk, where golfer Philip Shard, 60, was struck by lightning. Credit East Anglia News Service. "When I went back, Philip had disappeared. As I walked back across the green there was a loud crack of thunder and lightning. I continued across the green and wandered towards a row of trees, assuming Philip was sheltering from the hail. I found him unconscious under a large conifer tree." Mr. Goldsmith said he ran about 150 meters to a caravan owned by the golf club, where he asked someone to call for an ambulance. It consultant Philip Shard, 60, was found collapsed under a conifer tree by his friend Brian Goldsmith, who was playing with him. Credit East Anglia News Service. 2 people went back with him to where Mr. Shard lay and tried to revive him with CPR and by using a defibrillator before paramedics arrived. An air ambulance also attended, but Mr. Shard was taken by land ambulance to Ipswich Hospital. Mr. Goldsmith added that Mr. Shard had left his trolley and golf clubs next to the green before going under the tree. Mr. Shard, from Rushmere, near Ipswich, died on May 31 with his family at his bedside in hospital. The inquest in Ipswich heard he had suffered a hypoxic brain injury. At a glance, what to do in a thunderstorm. A conclusion of accidental death due to lightning strike was recorded by Assistant Suffolk Coroner Drive Dan Sharpstone. The married father of 2 who had 4 grandchildren had only been a member of Fynn Valley for 2 months before the tragedy. Tony Terrell, club owner and secretary, said at the time of his death, "Everyone at the club is horrified. It's a dreadful thing to have happened, and our thoughts are with his family." The club said it would be warning players to be vigilant of thunderstorms and take action at the first signs of any electrical activity. Mr. Shard's family said in a statement, "Philip was a kind and loving gentleman, husband, father, grandpa and friend who will be sorely missed by all." The family would like to take this opportunity to thank all friends and colleagues who have shown so much love and support throughout this difficult time. A special thank you to all the staff at Ipswich Hospital Critical Care Unit who showed Philip so much compassion and care. Mr. Shard's daughter Elizabeth Greggs added, "Dad was very loud, made an impression on everyone he met and made friends easily. He had a joke for everyone. He would help anyone who was in need and always had time to see his family, especially his 4 grandchildren whom he adored. Dad always enjoyed doing artistic projects, whether it be designing his garden or sitting patiently with the grandchildren to draw and do crafts.